we are, guys, in the middle of a storm. My wife's got to work today, so I thought I'd come out for a drive with the dogs. And I think I wish I had it now. As you can see, I'm on the A30, the new A30, going down to Penzance, and it's absolutely tipping it down. My God, very windy. There was a warning for strong winds, gusts up to 60, 70 miles an hour for 7 o'clock this morning, but it was a bit late. It was fine at 7, but it's coming now. Now it's about 11:30 in the morning, and I'm driving down to Penzance. This bypass is almost finished now. It's been about 3 or 4 years doing this bypass here. I hope the camera is picking up so much rain sitting on the screen here. The weather is atrocious. But we're going to get down to Penzance and park up and let the dogs onto the beach for 20 minutes. Hopefully it's not too bad of weather down there. And then we're going to drive back to Newquay. So it's just a little bit of a road trip for me to get out and share the journey with you guys. Hopefully you'll subscribe to the channel. We've got 4 videos being done at the moment. I've got 3 or 4 videos to be uploaded at the moment. I'm just trying to edit at the moment, and that's not easy. It's a bit of a learning process, but we're getting there. As you can see, it's really bad weather. Well, I hope you can see from this camera. Guys, when I get back down there, I'm not going to bore you with this road trip too much of it, but if it gets any worse, I'll get the camera back on. Hi guys, so I just thought I'd mention this. This is the approach down to Hale, and this is where the road has gone from a dual carriageway into a single lane. Now in the summertime, you could be stuck in a traffic jam for a good half an hour, if not longer. I mean, we're going down this hill. I should have took a video on before, but even before you approach this hill, coming up the hill to get to here, you could be in a traffic jam. It really does back up. In the summertime, it can be a bit of a nightmare. But I should also mention, when you get down to Hale here, you've got the right hand turning for to go to Marizion. If you're going to Marizion Farm campsite, that's a great campsite, and also Towers car park for the Towers beach there. That's a great car park, great beach, a couple of cafes there. Also here on the Hale roundabout, you've got a Lidl. Also you've got a usual crowd. You've got the Costa, you've got the Marks and Spencers, you've got the Boots, you've got the McDonald's. Yeah, you've got everything here you need to get supplies if you're coming down in a motorhome or you're camping. And of course you're going to follow a tractor. There's a lot of farms around here. But there you go, we're just approaching. Of course there's services for fuel as well. For those with electric cars, I don't think there's any electric here. The nearest one, there's Tesla superchargers back in Campbell, but it's probably only come from here, Hale, probably 5 miles away, so it's not too far. But yeah, we're just approaching the roundabout now, and unfortunately we're only doing 30 on the dual carriageway at the moment because of a tractor. But farm shop next left. There's a garden centre. You can turn left here actually and go to a garden centre up the road on the right hand side. I'm not sure what it's called, I'm sorry, but I've been there before and it's really nice. It's not pet friendly, but very nice garden centre left here, and you just follow the road up on the left hand side. It's on the right hand side of that road. So turn left here, and it's up the road on the right. But we're going straight across towards Penzance. So the right hand turning there is for Hale, and you can go through Hale, of course, and you go to Phelps Pasties. Phelps Pasty shop there. I can see the little as I just walked, as I just looked past there. In front of us there we've got Next. All the stores there. Quite a nice big car park there, but if you're in a motorhome, there's no big spaces for motorhomes. So I'd say park outside that complex and let somebody else walk in for you. Football pitch, rugby pitch on the left hand side. Yeah, if you're driving through Hale, as I said before, you get to Phelps Pasties, great for pasties, and there's a dessert shop there as well for coffees and ice creams. I think it's owned by the same people actually. It's just a mere car park. But now we're going to follow this road. As I say, in the summertime, you'd have been sat in a traffic jam for a good half an hour to get down to that Hale roundabout, especially first thing in the morning. It's something I avoid. But now we're going towards Penzance, and of course the turn is for St Ives. So if you're going to Air Campsite or St Ives for a day, this is the route you're going to take. So we get over the brow of this hill, and we should be able to see next roundabout another tractor on the right hand side. There's the long straight ahead of us, parking space and breakdown point on the left, and there's a roundabout just down the bottom of this hill. There's a nice garden centre on the right hand side going towards St Ives. Before you get into the town of St Ives, on the right hand side, nice garden centre, nice restaurant. Not sure if it's dog friendly or not, I haven't been there for many years, but I remember it's very nice. And you can turn right to go into St Ives one way through the town, through the village, or you can go left and come in from the top of St Ives, if you like, to go to Air Campsite, or come down above St Ives and come down just another more easier route, although it is a bit longer. So there's the straight in front of us there. We come down this road and we're going to hit this roundabout. We're going to take a left to Penzance, and if you're going down to the Lizard, you take a left as well. Land's End, etc., you go left. We're going Penzance and Newquay. The Hale Estuary is underneath us here now. You can go back to Hale, you turn right here and come in the other end of Hale, if you like. So Phelps will be on the left hand side rather than the right hand side. That's if you're going to do a loop round. And you've got Tate St Ives, and you also catch the train as well into St Ives here. So if you're going to go back to Hale, go right round the roundabout and take first right. Straight across to St Ives, and we're going to Penzance, St Irv, park and take the train into St Ives on here, or down to Penzance. go, park and wide. Park and wide, plenty of spaces in there as well. It's quite a big car park actually. So the weather's cleared up a bit anyway for this little trip. It's going to take me about 2.5 to 3 hours. Now we're going to take a turn in for Marizion to get down to the car park on the seafront at Penzance in a minute. So here we are now, just approaching roundabout for Penzance and Helston. If you're going to go to Flambards, you're going to go left to Helston, but then you could have gone a quicker way anyway, down towards Falmouth Road to Helston. So we're going to go left to Marizion. It's right for Penzance. In Penzance along this road you have got a couple of supermarkets and, for convenience, KFC. So we're going to go left here. Helston was directly to the left, we're going second left. There's St Michael's Mount. Hopefully the camera picks that up. Down here, better than was back at home. If you enjoyed this little road trip, the description of a bit of information of where we are, what's left and what's right. Just hit the like button and subscribe please to the channel. It'd be great. Now there you go, St Michael's Mount to the left, Marizion car parks. Big car park here on the right hand side. There's a cafe here, there's a pub. Was being refurbished on the right hand side here as well. Quite nice Sunday road. You can carry on to Marizion, the village down there. There's cafes and there's parking down there. Also there's a children's play area down there. You'll notice on the right hand side was quite big. This car park just been relayed all the tarmac, so it's handy because it was gravel with full of potholes. We'll take a drive down to Marizion in a minute, once I've got a ticket for the machine and taking the dogs on the beach for 10 minutes. Now, turn around to try and get close to the machine. Pay over there. That's your vehicle recharging points there. There's 2 of them, 3 of them. There, so let's just get over here, shall we, so we're not blocking anything. There's the beach. How does that look, everybody? That looks windy. There's a couple of dogs in there having play at the moment. Chum chap just got out of his car taking a photo, and there's St Michael's Mount over there. Shush cookie, dog's barking, sorry about that. So we're just going down into Marizion now. As I said, we just had a coffee and a chocolate brownie from the cafe as I rushed into there as the heavens opened on me. There's a big car park on the right hand side here, and there's a play area for kids, cafes, public toilets, holiday homes, Treverian. Yes, quite a nice little village this is. pubs here. Short stay Marizion car park. Just overlooking the beach there. Nice spot in summer. Look at dolphin. Dog friendly. Somebody just walked out with a dog. So I presume it's dog friendly. As you can see, it's very windy. You can see everybody's getting blown around. The storm's definitely arrived. Phelps famous pasties, one of the best pasties in Cornwall. Although I've been told it's better, but we'll pay them a visit another day. Bars over oncoming traffic, that's good. Little village this church on the left hand side. Let's see what's that other end. Old school room. Must be a school there perhaps one time, another. Boo, shush. I know. I can hear you. I know you're there. My little booger puppy telling me she's there. Yeah, I know. So Marizion is now behind us, and we've just come into the outskirts of the village. Everybody puts out their plants and things like that here. Another big car park there, overlooking the green. That's very nice. Yeah, people put out their plants for sale, things like that here. It's there's no thieving here. Nobody nicks anything here. There's no thieves live here. It's glad to know it's one of those old villages. People leave out the stuff and people put the money in the jar. Some stunning views from the houses being built on the right hand side. The rain's about to hit again. There's another cloud coming in, I can see on the water. And if you're running, guys, there's a road race down here, Marizion, 5 mile I believe it is. I've done it many years ago. So I did it many years ago. It's out here next to a village hall. You'll collect it, get your numbers, sort of like run around a big block, do 5 miles and finish. So let's see where this takes us, shall we? We're probably going to go left back towards Penzance perhaps. So Helston's right, so Flambar's right. We're going to go left, I think. Yeah, we're going to go left back towards Penzance. So if you're going to go Flambar, you take a right. Yeah, this is the main road now. Back to Marizion. We just drove out of there. Penzance from Red Roof 17. So you know where you are. And if you go in St Ives, probably 5 miles from here. Let's go down this road. See where this lands up. We've sort of like gone round a block, if you like, We've gone through Marizion and we've taken a left and we're going towards Penzance now.